when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs. I choose new Safeguard with complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another antibac soap, it protects against 10 types of harmful germs. Bakit ka pa tataya sa iba?
Pasko na ulit. Holiday rush everywhere. Need more help? We got you.
Ang Monday, nagiging manhid day. Tuesday, tusok-tusok day. Wednesday, nerve pain day. Pabalik-balik na lang.
Try Neurobion. It's 4 times B12 versus a generic brand. Helps repair nerve damage from the source so symptoms don't bother you again. Neurobion.
Pag may araw-araw tibay, araw-araw humuhusay.
Pag may tibay katawan at tibay resistensya, mas makakapag-aral ng mahusay.
May saraba!
Bear Brand.
Lagot! Pang-K-pop ko! Ang dumi!
Di kaya ng sabon ko, ang bahay na to.
Mag-New Tide Expert Clean. 3 times tagos linis. Mas malinis kaysa iba. Di yan pambahay. Pang K-pop. Dapat malinis, dapat Tide.
Piolo Pacquiao. Ako, pakyawin na ang free zine tuwing hapon.
Pwede mo ba ako samahan?
Kapit lang sa love sa Always Be My Maybe.
Ganda mo dyan, oh.
I woke up like this.
A classic ang tawanan sa Ang Tanging Ina.
Walang inang hindi napapagod.
Pakyawin na ang free movies.
Wala akong ginagawang masama! Akala mo lang wala! Pero meron! Meron!
Sige, Afternoon Cinema, 4 p.m.
Sobra akong relate pag isa kang ina. Lalo na pag tumatanda, iba ang dating, iba yung kurot ng puso.
Grabe. As in, lahat sila, they did justice to their characters. It's a good reminder to keep the family together.
Let's treat ourselves, our family. Bago po mag-end ang year, we get to see a beautiful, beautiful family drama.
Meet, Greet, and Buy. Now on its second blockbuster week.